Here at COP27, climate adaptation and how to finance it is at the top of the agenda. Adaptation is how community and all living beings are adjusting to the ways that climate change is already affecting our lives. Climate change is here now. It is destroying our infrastructure, livelihoods, and environment. It is also the main threat to our health. The good news is it is still time to adapt, and many of the solutions we need are found in nature. We must conserve critical ecosystems like forests, savannas, grasslands, coral reefs, and wetlands. Protect or sustainably manage nature can help us counter the most severe impact of climate change. For example, in Africa, where we face widespread drought and water shortages, Conservation International is working with pastoralists to implement rotational grazing practices across 6 countries. These practices minimize soil erosions and preserve traditional livelihoods and income. We must increase funding and technical support for transformative adaptation solutions like this, especially to local communities. For those who depend on nature, and that's all of us, we need to act now.